In this short paper, I will present the main aspects of the project HumaReC. The project HumaReC is a 2-year project funded by the Swiss National Science Foundation. HumaReC stands for Humanity Research and Continuous Publishing, a Digital New Testament Test Case. It aims to test how a humanity research can be developed and embedded in a continuous publication process. For this purpose, we have chosen a specific object that deserves a better visibility. The manuscript Marciana Greek Z11 is at the core of the project. It is a trilingual manuscript of the New Testament in Greek, Latin, and Arabic, containing Acts, the Catholic letters, and the Pauline letters. It was made in Sicily during the 12th or the 13th century and is a beautiful product of the so-called Norman Arab Byzantine culture. This is the only manuscript of the New Testament with the 3 languages that is currently known by the research. And despite this specificity, no close study was done on this object. On this image, you can distinguish the 3 columns, Greek on the left, Latin in the middle, and Arabic on the right. In order to explore the study object, we have developed a manuscript viewer for our needs, displaying the images and the transcription of the text. It is a TEI-based digital edition made with the help of the open source tool EVT. Here a short demo of the manuscript viewer. The viewer displays the images of the manuscript in high quality and the transcription of the text. For each folio, you can choose between the 3 columns you want to display, Greek, Latin, or Arabic. The viewer has additional features such as a linking between the text and the image, textual additional information, for example for abbreviations, and other notes, as well as annotation on the image itself. Let us now reflect on the issue of continuous publishing, the concept that we are testing in the project. If we observe the scholarly communication today, we can see that many research results are released by new formats, such as short syntheses in blogs, draft versions of paper, social media posts, videos, and so on, often before the research is completed, peer-reviewed, and published in a journal or a book. Thus, many humanists are de facto already publishing in a continuous way. The idea of HumaReC is to fully integrate this type of publications into the research process of the project and to gather them on one digital platform. This offers many advantages for the scholar, such as velocity. In fact, we observe today a gap between the digital communication possibilities and publication processes in humanities that can take years. Adaptability. It is possible to pay attention to the reaction of readers and to adapt the research directions or results if required. And finally, openness, a well-known challenge for digital scholarship to which I will come back later. The platform of our project offers different types of contents published continuously. For the manuscript viewer, the new folios of the manuscript are uploaded once transcribed and annotated. On the blog, we post regularly our current observations about the manuscript. A second media is our webbook. The webbook gathers the research results in a structured way. Similarly to a conventional book, this text is long, structured, and published by a publisher, but the digital medium also offers additional enhanced features. The webbook is related to other data on the platform, such as the manuscript viewer, enabling users to move easily among resources. In contrast to enhanced but static e-books, it is written continuously, allowing the readers to follow the progression of the research and permitting the inclusion of their feedbacks. The publisher Brill is very interested in this new format, and the webbook will be hopefully published by them as digital object at the end of the project. Some precision about the validation or certification in the project, which is an important issue for digital communication. For the platform, we have gathered an interdisciplinary editorial board to ensure the quality of our content. In addition, an ISSN was requested for the platform, and all the published materials can be referred to with this number. Regarding the webbook, the object will follow the classical way for a publication. It will be peer-reviewed under the supervision of Brill. It is of course also a big advantage to benefit from the publishers' network for the dissemination of our research. Yet, openness is one of the main advantages of digital scholarly communications, but also a challenge. Scholars are facing it with different strategies. In our case, without going into the debate of the multiplication of open access scholars, we can describe the content of the platform as platinum open access, as it is free of charge for us and for the readers. For the webbook, we are taking the golden road due to our collaboration with the publisher. In addition, our other publications were and will be archived according to the Green Road as required by the Swiss National Science Foundation. Finally, I just want to say a few words about our collaborations. A specificity of the project is our interdisciplinary team, which is hosted not in a humanities institute or a DH institute, but in a computational center, Vital IT, which is the Center for High Performance Computing of the Swiss Institute of Bioinformatics. This implies a very interesting team dynamic, far away from some old-fashioned models where informaticians were only requested to do what humanists ask them to do. We enjoy the horizontality in our exchanges. You can have a look at our online portfolio. We are also working in collaboration with other institutions and projects, and I invite you to visit our website to learn more about other aspects of the project. Thank you for your attention. If you have questions, please do not hesitate to contact me personally. Thank you, bye!